Welcome to this tutorial on how to install and use Medieval Games assets for Blender. First, we'll extract the file. Once extracted, you can delete it if required. Inside the folder, you will find the blend file and the category file. Go to Blender, go to Edit, Preferences, and in File Path, click on Plus. Add the path to the blend file. You can rename the name if necessary. Don't forget to save your preferences. Close this window and open a new one. Go to Asset Browser, and in the drop-down menu, click on Medieval Games Assets. Loading may take a little time the first time. All assets are arranged by category. To import your assets, simply click and drag into the 3D viewport. Let's switch to preview mode. Here's our asset. It's easy and intuitive. Thanks, Blender! Now let's return to our initial folder. There's another zip file, FBX. These are the resources for your preferred rendering engine, Unreal Engine or Unity. You can extract it and delete the zip file. Inside is each individual asset in FBX format with its own texture folder. Again, you can click and drag directly into Blender. Thanks for watching and happy Blend!